That fish is stuck, right on the tip of this bird's beak. Wait until you see how she gets it unstuck. Anhingas don't grab fish like herons do. They spear them, which works great, right up until the fish won't come off. Advertising a meal like this isn't in her best interest. Predators are always watching. The longer this takes, the more likely she attracts the wrong type of attention. She has to flick that fish free and swallow it head first, or she doesn't eat. Doesn't sound too hard, but this bird doesn't have hands. She tried this over and over. Every shake, every flick, that fish won't budge. And then